It's Prime Day 2026, and over the next 4 days, prices are going to be as low as they will get until Black Friday in November. But because of percentage-based coupon code manipulation, not all the deals are going to be as good as they seem on the automated price trackers. Thankfully though, my wife manually tracks the prices of every product that I've recommended over the last 4 years, and I've got an accurate, condensed Google spreadsheet to sort through all of the best deals. Starting out with outdoor tech, all 3 robotic lawnmowers that I recommended in this year's review are at their lowest prices ever, and if you've got a really big lawn, the Navimo X430 is just $2,099, which is $200 lower than it's ever been. But the most exciting thing for me is that the Roborock X1 LiDAR, which was supposed to be delayed until August, is not only for sale, but it's also discounted down to $1,848. But it is important to note that that is the X115, which has a slightly smaller battery than the X120 that I tested and is the mower that I have ultimately decided to use long term. For pool robots, the BeatBot Sora 10 was the standout recommendation from my last video, and $449 is a fair price for it and $50 off its most common price, but it has been that price for a couple of weeks now. However, all 3 of Aper's pool robots are on sale, and that includes the new V3, which was my pick for pools that have sun shelves, and it's $50 lower than its previous low price, and I also have a coupon code for an additional 5% off, making it $759, which is an awesome deal. And you can also use that same coupon code to get an additional $40 off of the Aper AeroSense 2, making it $359, which isn't quite its lowest price ever, but it's still a great deal. Moving on to robotic vacuums, the Roborock Saros 10R, which despite being a year old is still my pick for the best all-around flagship, is at its lowest price ever at $899. And if you want a little bit better mop and you don't care about obstacle avoidance, the winner of this year's video, the Roborock Curivo Curve 2 Flow, is at its lowest price ever of $784. And if you're looking for something less expensive, then the Dream L40S Ultra CE still holds the 3rd place spot for overall carpet pickup in my test, and it's just $399, which is its normal big sale day price. Looking at projectors, the Valerian Vision Master Pro 2 is at its lowest price ever at $2199, but with the Titan Noir Kickstarter just finishing up, it's a little bit of an awkward time to be buying a more premium projector, and the same kind of goes for ultra short throw projectors, where the Hisense PX3 Pro, Nexgo Aurora Pro MK2, and Epson LS800 are all at their lowest price ever, but you gotta keep in mind that the PX4 Pro and Aurora Pro MK3 are coming out soon, and the successor to the LS800, the Epson Life Studio Grand Plus, is already out. However, one projector deal that shouldn't be overlooked is the XGIMI Horizon 20 base that's on sale for $1,199, because frankly that is an insanely good price for a 4K triple laser projector that has optical zoom and lens shift. If you're looking for a much cheaper single LCD option, the Alvar F505 is at a new low price of $161, and the TCL C1, which has a fully sealed light source, is also similarly priced at $162. For portable projectors, the JMGO N1S 4K is at its lowest price ever of $699, and the BenQ GV50 Laser, which basically never has any notable discount, is almost $300 off its most common price and is a very good option at $467. And speaking of things that never go on sale, the Sony Bravia Quad surround system is at its lowest price ever of $1,998, but keep in mind that you still need a separate subwoofer at that price, and in my testing, the Hisense HT Saturn was just as good or better in most cases, and is on sale for $949, including a sub. Looking at security cameras, basically every Reolink product is 30% off, which is the same discount that they give on all major sale holidays, and Eufy does the same thing, so if you don't buy them this week, the next time you'll see prices that low is gonna be in November. And last, in the miscellaneous category, the Amerisense 60-watt USB-C outlet that I use all over my house is heavily discounted down to $24, which is the lowest price that it's ever been, and my wife and daughter's favorite mini 10,000 milliamp power bank with built-in lightning and USB-C cables from WeFancy is just $16, which is also a new low price. Both my wife and I are going to continue to monitor prices over the next 4 days and update the Prime Day 2026 Google Sheet, and down in the description I've got links to that Google Sheet as well as all the deals that I went over in this video, and as always I appreciate when you use those links, since as an Amazon affiliate I do earn a small commission on the sale at no cost to you. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Happy deal hunting, and as always, thanks for watching The Hookup.